of class 7 science. I am very glad to have your cooperation in this epidemic condition. Now our school management has decided to teach our students on net basis. All types of classes will be available on YouTube. APS Dur Gogardia. You have to do only subscribe and then you will get APS science classes. This is the first class of this session, and I am going to start of science. Basically, if I do write on some points, I would like to suggest you please stay at home and stay safe, because this is the most important slogan raised by our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. Because it is essential in this epidemic condition, we have to maintain ourselves, social distancing, washing our hands, maintain hygiene, and maintain the you can say hygiene. It means स्वच्छता को हम लोगों को बना के रखना है. इसी कड़ी में आप सारे बच्चों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आप सारे बच्चे धैर्यपूर्वक घर में अपने माँ बाप के साथ हैं. इसी क्रम में विज्ञान में कुछ जो पॉइंट्स हैं उसको मैं डिफाइन कर देता हूं, फिर मैं आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर से स्टार्ट करूंगा. साइंस, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ साइंस इज द सिस्टमैटिक नॉलेज ऑफ एनीथिंग प्रोसेस टू अचीव इट बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन, experimentation and conclusion. Science has so many branches, but mainly we have to discuss on three main: physics, chemistry and biology. Physics, it is that branch of science in which we study about the matter, about the naturality of nature. That is, physics is the science of measurement. Generally we see that we say the father of physics is Sir Isaac Newton, Einstein, Galileo, etc. And whatever the chemistry is concerned, chemistry is that branch of science in which we study about the matter, you can say about the element, reaction and production, and you can say the reactants and products, etc. Lavoisier is known as the father of chemistry. As usual, biology, it is that branch of science in which we study about the living organisms, and the father of biology is Aristotle. Okay, beta. Because I have just in the meanwhile, I am going to start science, nutrition in plants. In our new book, we have, this is the first chapter of this book, nutrition in plants, and the main focus on which we have to study what is nutrition, mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants as photosynthesis, heterotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Before we go too deep into the points, we have to write down some important topics. This is also a very new experiment for you and for me also. So I request you stay at home, and meanwhile you study from your mobile sets nutrition in plants. जैसा कि हम सारे बच्चे जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिशन, इट इज द प्रोसेस इन विच वी intake food and utilize it for our energy purposes. So first, from where energy is can we get? What is energy? There are so many questions. So first of all, I am going to start what is an energy. The capacity to do a piece of work is known as the energy. SI unit of energy is joule. From where energy can we get? So first question is food. Food is a form of, you can say it is an organic, inorganic substance by which gives us energy after burning. That is the metabolic functions. That is the metabolic functions. Thus, food is a type of fuel food is a type of fuel which drives all life process. Now one question, food can we get from plants, animals? Now, what is nutrition in plants? So the point is nutrition. I am going to discuss what is nutrition. the process of taking in food and utilizing by the organisms is known as nutrition. Then another point is very essential. What is nutrient? It is the component of food it is the component of food, or you can say those substance. It is nutrients are those substance which help in nutrition as carbohydrate, fats, as carbohydrate, fats, minerals, proteins, etc. are the nutrients. Now okay, क्या? It is a complex food obtained from glucose. Glucose is the simplest one. This is also known as sugar, and then after glucose, the complex one, next step, starch. And then starch form carbohydrate. In our day-to-day life, as we know that plants are the producers. During photosynthesis, plants intake carbon dioxide, sun rays, and water and minerals from the soil. Photosynthesis occurs in stomata of the leaf and produce glucose C6H12O6. Meanwhile, I will discuss about the photosynthesis also. But for the points is concerned, fats are concerned. Fats, it means, as you know, always fats as from cheese and from you can say milk, from meat, etc. we get fats. Minerals are very essential also. Protein, vitamins is very essential. Vitamins, you can write it here once again in the meanwhile. Minerals, vitamins, proteins, etc. are the main component of components of food, or you can say nutrition. Now